The markets gapped up overnight with the news that US and China have reached a deal to pause the tariffs for 90 days. While uncertainty remains until the deal is done, the risk on sentiment is reignited, benefiting the overall stock market. With that optimism, let's dive into the world of artificial intelligence and explore the top 3 AI stocks to buy right now. AI is revolutionizing industries and driving innovation like never before. It's automating repetitive tasks and is able to analyze large amounts of data in seconds, even making software coding by humans obsolete. And if that was not enough, my kids are using AI to help them with their homework, replacing the need of an actual tutor. So if you're looking to invest in this exciting space, here are the 3 stocks you should definitely consider. Hi, my name's Gautam. I'm a former finance executive turned options trader, and I'm here to help you escape the 9 to 5 grind like I did with the power of options trading. If you'd like a copy of my free ebook that covers my top option strategies to help you retire early, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below, and I'll respond to your comment with the ebook link. Also, don't forget to sign up for my free options newsletter, link in description below. So without further ado, let's dive in and jump into my first selection, which is none other than Microsoft. Microsoft is a tech giant known for its vast array of software and hardware products and has made significant strides in the AI space. Here are a few reasons why Microsoft is a smart investment. First up is Microsoft's cloud platform Azure offers a robust suite of AI tools and services that are widely adopted by businesses across the globe. The continuous growth and development of Azure AI ensures that Microsoft remains at the forefront of AI technology. One example is Copilot, Microsoft's new AI online assistant software, which is integrated into Windows and MS Office. I actually use Copilot myself, and it's a fantastic tool to help you create documents, answer queries, etc. in MS Office. Secondly, Microsoft has established strategic partnerships with various AI driven companies, enhancing its capabilities and reach in the AI domain. These collaborations bolster Microsoft's AI offerings and potential for future growth. In fact, it was an early adopter of the AI technology with an investment in OpenAI back in 2019. We all know how the world has changed since OpenAI released ChatGPT. Let's check out Microsoft's fundamentals on Yahoo Finance. If we look at the 5-year chart here, it's a solid chart. Again, 3.3 trillion market cap, trading at a nice PE ratio of 34 and 1-year target of 505. So there's still a lot of room to the upside. It's been beating its earnings per share quarter over quarter, looking pretty solid. And then if we look at the revenue and earnings, has been growing consistently. Microsoft has a nice profit margin of 35%, almost 36%. Looking at analyst recommendations, we have about 60 analysts covering Microsoft. And with the latest ratings in May, we have a pretty solid green bar between buy and strong buy. And again, we looked at this earlier, it's trading around 446, has an average price target of 505 and 650 on the high side. So there's a lot of room towards the upside. Looking at the 6-month chart for Microsoft, as you can see, the Bollinger Bands have really expanded with the big move after earnings. It's closer to the top of the Bollinger Bands, and my ideal entry would be somewhere towards the middle or the lower band. Looking at some support levels, we have some support here at the 425 level. And if I look at the middle of the Bollinger, which is this green line right here, we have the 401. Well, considering Microsoft's at 440, 401 seems a bit far away. We probably wouldn't be able to get much premium. Pull up the options chain and see what a 20 delta or a 15 delta will get us. So if I go out 32 days and if we look at this 425 level, that's a 18 delta. That will give us about $291 per options contract. So I would sell puts at the 425 level, collect $291 per contract. And if you don't get an entry at 425, then you can sell puts again to get an entry at that price or lower, depending on where the stock's trading at that point. My next pick is Palantir Technologies, a company specializing in big data analytics and AI, another excellent choice for investors. And here's why Palantir stands out. Palantir's AI-driven platforms such as Gotham and Foundry provide advanced data integration and analytics solutions, helping organizations make informed decisions. Their cutting-edge technology is transforming industries like healthcare, defense, and finance. Palantir has secured numerous contracts with government agencies as well as private customers such as BP and Stellantis, showcasing the trust and reliance placed on its AI capabilities. These contracts provide stable and substantial revenue streams, contributing to the company's growth. Earlier this month, Palantir entered into a cooperative agreement with XAI and TWG Global to create services aimed at increasing the adoption of AI technology amongst financial service providers at all scales. The partnership will leverage its combined expertise in AI and data management to make AI-first strategy available in the finance workplace. Palantir is continuously expanding its reach into new market and industries, increasing its customer base and enhancing its AI-driven solutions. This growth trajectory promises substantial returns for investors. Looking at Palantir's fundamentals on Yahoo Finance, if we look at the 5-year chart, it's a solid trajectory pointing upwards. It did have a drawdown like the rest of the market earlier in the year, but it is currently trading close to its all-time highs at the moment. Its PE ratio of 515 obviously makes a lot of people nervous, but it's all about getting a good entry into a stock that has a great future ahead. Looking at its earnings per share, it's been beating expectations quarter over quarter. And Q1 actually came in line with expectations. The revenue has been increasing steadily quarter over quarter. In fact, the Q1 earnings that came out recently brought in a revenue of 883 million with a profit margin of almost 18%. If we look at analyst recommendations, obviously because of the lofty PE evaluation, we have a lot of holds right now with the average price target of 90 and Palantir is currently trading at around $118. So let's look at Palantir's 6-month chart and see where it would make sense to get a good entry on Palantir. So looking at Palantir's 6-month chart, it is currently trading in between the top and the middle Bollinger Band. So I see some support right here towards the middle of the Bollinger Band, which is this 106 level right here. It's literally right at the center of the Bollinger Band, 106, 107 level. Another step down could be this $95 level, which is actually the 50-day moving average. Let's pull the options chain and see how much premium we can collect at these levels, going out about 30 days. And let's see what a 20 delta will get us. So looking at the chart earlier, we said a good level of support is the 106, 107 level. And the 106 level is actually a delta of 25, and that would give you a premium of $2.83 or $283 per options contract. You could do that, or if you'd like to go a little lower, you could also do this 20 delta right here, which is the 104 strike price, and that gives you a premium of $229 per options contract. I actually also see that there is a lot of volume at this 104 level compared to the 106 level. So I think the 104 level would make a good entry to get back into Palantir. Last but not least, I have NVIDIA as my final pick for this video. NVIDIA, renowned for its powerful graphic processing units or GPUs, has become a pivotal player in the AI space. This 2.8 trillion market cap company is a top AI stock and the third largest publicly traded company on Wall Street. NVIDIA's GPUs are essential for AI and machine learning applications, providing the necessary computational power for complex algorithms and deep learning models. The demand for these GPUs continues to rise, driving NVIDIA's growth. NVIDIA's also heavily invested in the AI research and development field, consistently pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Their innovations in AI hardware and software cement their position as a leader in the field. NVIDIA is working with Oracle to integrate NVIDIA's accelerated computing with Oracle's generative AI services with the goal of speeding up the development of the latest AI applications. In addition, NVIDIA is also opening up a new research and development center in Boston to concentrate efforts on quantum computing advances. NVIDIA's AI technology is also critical in the development of autonomous vehicles, a sector with immense growth potential. Their involvement in this industry opens up lucrative opportunities for the company and its investors. With the Trump administration's recent decision to rescind the previous administration's chip export restrictions, it will give chip stocks like NVIDIA and even AMD a big boost and push to move higher over the next few weeks. Looking at NVIDIA's fundamentals over Yahoo Finance, again, it's been beating its earnings per share consistently quarter over quarter. Revenue and earnings have also been increasing quite nicely. In fact, its earnings are coming up around May 28th, I believe. Should be pretty exciting to see where NVIDIA goes next, especially with the chip curb restrictions being taken off, I think that should give a boost to Nvidia. Analyst recommendations are pretty solid. We have a lot of green, so we have a lot of buy and strong buy recommendations. Nvidia is currently trading around 123 with an average price target of 163 and 220 on the high side. So there's definitely a lot of room to go up on Nvidia. Looking at Nvidia's 6-month chart, just like a lot of other stocks, it's trading towards the top of its Bollinger Band, which is at this 123 level right here. So looking for a good entry, I like the middle of the Bollinger Band, which is this green line at the 110 level. There's obviously a lot of support right here as well. So let's go over to the options chain and see how much premium we can collect by selling the 110 puts. Again, I'm going to go ahead and go about 30 days out. We have the June 13 option chain, which is about 32 days. So the 110 put, as you can see, it has a lot of open interest and volume. So again, a good options contract to sell put options on. And right now you can collect $232 by selling puts at this 110 strike price and picking up Nvidia at this level. So there you have it, folks. Microsoft, Palantir, and Nvidia are my 3 top AI stock picks for right now. Each of these companies bring unique strengths and innovations to the AI space, promising substantial growth and returns. As always, make sure to do your own research and consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest content. I'll see you in the next one.